What's good, YouTube? And it is your boy Hollywood Troy back with yet another video, you guys. And today we are going to be taking a look at the recently released Air Jordan 12 French Blue. Let's get it. Yes, sir, the Air Jordan 12 French Blue are back, but my pair did come with a problem. It came with more drama than a sneaker should. And with Nigel Sylvester's Jordan 1 still in the spotlight this week, we need to talk about whether this classic is losing its shine. So the release date of the sneaker is, of course, August 16, 2025 with a price point of $205. And that it dropped alongside a major collaboration, which is the Nigel Sylvester's Air Jordan 1 Low. But let's go ahead and dive in a little bit of history for this sneaker. First released back in 2004, not a part of the OG 96 lineup. Then, of course, it was retro way back in 2016, and now, of course, back in 2025 with full family sizing. Famously worn by Kobe Bryant himself in 2003 during his sneaker free agency. Known for his clean white leather uppers, French blue lizard mudguard textures, and that varsity red heel tab. Designed by Tinker Hatfield, of course, inspired by the Japanese sun red flag and women's dress boot. So, as I did mention in the beginning of this video, you guys, I did have a problem with this sneaker. I did notice that the sneaker toe box was smashed in, like, I don't know, I want to say that it was more so a factory mishandling or a quality issue, you guys. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, let me go ahead and show you guys when I take out my shoe tree. And I did have to put a shoe tree in this sneaker, so it won't look smashed anymore. As you guys can see that toe box right there compared to my left sneaker right here. You saw, guys, look at the difference. There's a big difference here. Hopefully you guys can see that. This one right here is smashed and this one is not. It just looks goofy as hell. On foot, it don't look as bad, but this is what I pulled out of the box when I first opened up the box to my sneaker. Now, being that the box isn't smashed itself, I'm guessing that this right here is a factory or a warehouse or just a quality control issue. You feel me? Like, the box is not smashed. The box can come smashed and none of that. Like, while the French Blue is a beloved colorway for purists, it's not universally hyped in 2025. I did a little bit of research and happened to find out that this is probably one of the worst release or one of the worst anticipated sneaker that has came out this year for a lot of people. This is kind of what's down there and like probably a top 5 because a lot of younger sneakerheads are gravitating towards de-stress and vintage aesthetics over clean retro. Asics, New Balances, and all just different type of other shoes that a younger crowd is going after. But of course, I'm holding a classic in hand. Of course, we got that classic white tumble leather with that radiant stitching. And as far as the mud guard, we got that French blue lizard texture overlay wrapping the midsole. The access consists of metallic silver eyelet, varsity red 23 on the heel. Another thing that I think also played this sneaker in sales, of course, is the Air Jordan 5 Awake that is going to be dropping the 28th as well. And we already heard, I've heard today that sneaker already got backdoor heavily for both pairs at that. So I'm gonna give you guys a final thought and recommendation on the sneaker. For the pros, it's a timeless design. You can't beat it. Strong materials, historical significance, and of course, a fire sneaker. Come on, it's French Blues. It's 12. You can't beat it, man. You guys, if you a retro head, can't beat it. Now, for the cons, overshadowing issues, and of course, not as hype with the younger crowd in these days. And the final verdict of the shoe is worth it for collectors and the Kobe fan era. But casual buyers, I think you guys might want to wait until the shoe probably drops a little bit for you guys get a little discount. And yeah, that's all I gotta say. As far on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to be giving this sneaker, sadly, a 7.5 out of 10, you guys. Everyone, man, that right there is going to be it. It's your boy Hollywood Troy. I'm about to be gone, but before I do, you guys, is the French Blue still a must cop in 2025? Or has the Nigel Sylvesters in the Awakes and of course the Undefeated stole his thunder? Drop the comments down below. I would like to know, you feel me? Don't forget to hit that like. Don't forget to subscribe, man. This is your boy Hollywood Troy. I'm about to be gone, man. Don't forget to hit the bell as well before you head up out of there. Peace out.